Hi all, welcome to my channel. So the expectation, the interviewers are expecting. So in a Java Selenium or in a Java REST assured interviews, like initially they are giving a Java code, but this particular Java code, because of it, recently few candidates are getting rejected. So almost 80% of the candidates know they are struggling to solve this code. So that's what I understand. So the thing is, so for this particular Java code, the solution can be done through basic Java collection by using an array list, hash map, and a set hash set. So that is sufficient. Okay. The question here is like they are giving an array of numbers. Okay, they are asking to find the second largest number. Okay, so see, it looks this code looks simple, but there is a catch here. I will show that. So first let us put all these numbers into a array list. Okay, so we already have this array of numbers, so let me try to put it here directly. Okay, it's not working, so it should tell some error message. Remove the arguments. Okay, let us try to put it by using a array list. Arrays dot, so arrays dot as list. So then we are trying to put array of numbers. That also not working. Okay, we will directly put it like this. Okay, so we have put all the numbers inside this array list. So now we need to find the length of this particular array list. I think actually it is not needed to find the length. So to find the second largest number, we need to sort this array, right? So I am using collections dot sort. So it is the array list of numbers. So now let us print this. So while I'm printing, you will understand where is the catch. So just we have taken all the numbers inside the array list and we are trying to sort. So okay, it is taking some time. Okay, let it take. Meanwhile, so for a QA automation engineer, mainly for Java Selenium, if their experience is between 1 to 3 years, so the interviewers know, not even nowadays, even before also, for these junior resources they are expecting to write the coding for the how to take a screenshot in Selenium, and how to fetch the values from a Excel sheet. So to fetch value from Excel sheet, what are the jars you will be using? So it is Apache POI jar you need to use. So for taking screenshot, you write a code in Notepad and show. So like that and all they are expecting. So my suggestion is, instead of writing it in the notepad, you should have a framework in your personal laptop and you should compile and show that. So that would be a better approach. Okay, so these two codes, no, given during the time of when I was fresher, the interviewers are asked, So until today for junior resources, no, between 1 to 3 years experience, still they are asking. And so, we have sorted it, but here the second largest number. See, since we have duplicate element, by using index position, if we try to find the second largest element, we will not get the correct one. So first you need to find the length of array list underscore numbers is equal to array underscore list numbers dot size function. So we find the size of the array list. Now I'm trying to find the index for second largest. So index for second largest will be nothing but this particular length minus 2 will be this index position. Okay, so we will print this particular index position also for better clarity. Okay, and now in the space second largest is equal to array underscore list numbers dot get the index position of second largest. So here, since we have duplicate elements, you will face a issue. That's what I'm trying to show. Okay, so here what we have done is simply we find the length of the array list, we find the index position will be nothing but the total length minus 2, and we are printing that. Then we are trying to find the second largest value which is present in our array list. So using the index second largest, so index position we are trying to fetch. See, the second largest index position is fourth position, that is correct. 0 1 2 3 4, fourth index position is correct, but the second largest value here, you see 5 is coming because we are having duplicate values here. So it is taking the particular index position value and it is returning, but it is wrong because the second largest value is 3 only. Okay, so first you need to remove these duplicate values. Okay, so to remove these duplicate values you need to use set collection. So this is a basic Java code, still it is challenging if you don't practice it. So we are trying to declare a hash set. Okay, and now what we are going to do is, there is a sorted array list, right? Array list of numbers, so that I am putting it here. So now if I print this hash set, okay, so there will not be having any duplicates. That is the property of the hash set. So hash set is something like it will remove all the duplicate elements which is present inside it. So initially, array list, it can have duplicate elements, but the hash set will not have the duplicate elements. It will automatically remove the duplicate elements. So that's the functionality of the hash set, or the property of the hash set. Okay, so once you remove the duplicates, then using the same logic we can find the index position and we can do. Okay, so, in the hash set, in the array list we have the duplicates, but in the hash set we have only the unique numbers. All the duplicates got removed. So after this, what you can do, you can do the same operation that we done previously. So you need to find the length of the hash set. Okay, better to delete and write it from the scratch. So you need to find the length of the hash set. So how to find hash underscore set dot size function. Okay, now you need to find the index for second largest. So it will be length underscore hash underscore set -2. -2 will be the second largest. Okay, now int space second largest value is equal to, we have a hash set, right? Hash underscore set dot. Okay, see, we cannot do get operation in hash. So now what you need to do is you need to create another one array list. So you need to create another one array list with the data type as integer, and you can give the name as unique array list. Okay, it's equal to new array list. You can put this entire hash set inside this array list. So now the indexing position will work. So int spaces second largest value is equal to, so we create something called as unique, right? Unique underscore array list dot get index second largest. Okay, so as I said earlier, so actually I dislike repeating the things, but I think you may not have seen my previous video, you might have suddenly seen this video alone. So when you are going to give interview, always use a laptop which is of 16 GB RAM minimum. Okay, so now what we have done is we have a array list. We remove the duplicate elements in the array list by using a hash set. Then we are finding the index position of the second largest element, and then we are printing that. Okay, so this code is a simple code, but this is also asked in interview. See, this is a sorted array list of numbers, and the same array list of numbers is moved inside a hash set, so all the duplicate elements got removed. The second largest value is 3. Okay, so this is the code. So I don't think for us debugging is needed for this code. Anyway, I will debug and show. So initially we declared a array list. See, some things and all you need to memorize. Syntax of array list you need to memorize. How to sort a array list, that syntax you need to memorize. How to declare a hash set. So some things you need to memorize. There is no other option. So some things you need to understand like as a mathematics and you can write. So that's how. Okay, it is taking larger time to get the debug pointer. It is because of the RAM issue only. For with 4 GB RAM and all, if you are working, it will be like this. Okay, so if you hover over on the array list of numbers, you can see the list of values here. Okay, this is what the debugging procedure. Even if you are unable to get the expected result, you need to debug the code. Then you will understand. You can correct the code accordingly, and you can get the output. Okay. Yeah, so initially this is the value inside the array. So now we are sorting it. After sorting it, if you hover over on this and see it got sorted 1 1 2 3 5 5, and now we are printing it. Okay, now there is a hash set. So in the hash set we are putting the array list of numbers. So this is the array list of numbers which is present, which is having the duplicate values. Now I am going to put this array list inside the hash set. So after this line of code executed, will inside the hash set only unique values will be present. Okay, all the duplicates got removed. We have 2 ones and 2 fives. Now it become unique. Okay, and now we are trying to find the length of the hash set. So this is the hash set. Okay, in hash set how many elements we have? We have around 4 elements. Okay, 1 2 3 4, so we have around 4 elements. So now the size will be also 4. Length of the hash set is 4. Okay, So I hope here you can see. Okay, it is, see no, it is showing us 4, length of hash set equal to 4. So now we are trying to find the index of second largest. Second largest means -2. If they are asking for third largest, it is -3. Hmm. Okay, so the second largest index will be 2. See, in hash set, this is 0th index, this is first index, this is second index, this is third index. So second largest, yeah, it's coming correctly only. Okay. So now I created a new array list, because using the array list only we can do this get operation. And in the array list I had put all the elements which is present in the hash. See, I put all the elements which is present in the hash, and the second largest value will be finding out it is 3, and it will be getting printed. Simple. Even this code looks simple. Why lot of interviewers are asking the same code? Even I prefer to ask for a junior person. The reason is like, so if the person is able to solve this code, he will be having a fair understanding about the array list, what its usage and what its property, and how to use the hash set and where it is used. What's the purpose of hash set? So that the candidate will be having a fair understanding if the candidate is able to solve this code. That's what the logic is. Okay, so just practice this code. You may get the code even for a higher experienced person. Okay, so even for a 5 years person you can get. But for mainly for juniors, no, they will be frequently getting this question. Even after in my 7th year of experience, no, after before an year, for me also I got this question in one of my interview. Huh? So just practice it. Huh? That's all. Thanks all. Bye. See, you need to remember the syntaxes of array list and hash map. For that, some memorizing is needed. So that's the truth. Okay. Yeah. Bye all.